Ever wondered why people behave the way they do, why some are outgoing while others prefer solitude? This all boils down to personalities. Now you might ask, what exactly is a personality? Well, it's the unique combination of patterns that influence our behavior, thoughts, motivation, and emotions. It shapes our interactions with others and our understanding of ourselves. It's like an intricate tapestry woven with threads of different colors, each thread representing a different aspect of who we are. In this video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of personalities. We'll explore different personality types, from the life of the party extroverts to the quiet and introspective introverts, and even those who find themselves somewhere in the middle. But that's not all. We'll also get into the nitty-gritty of the assertive and the turbulent, two personality traits that can significantly influence how we navigate life. So, are you ready to dive deep? Stick around as we unfold the fascinating world of personalities. First up, meet the life of the party, the extrovert. Extroverts are typically vibrant, outgoing individuals who thrive on social interaction. Their energy is often fueled by the people around them, constantly seeking to engage in lively conversations and activities. They're the ones who are likely to strike up a chat in a queue or make friends on a long-haul flight. But being an extrovert isn't just about being sociable. They're often great problem solvers thanks to their ability to collaborate, brainstorm, and bounce ideas off others. Their outgoing nature also makes them great leaders, capable of rallying a team towards a common goal. However, like all personalities, extroverts have their challenges too. They may find quiet or solitude uncomfortable, often preferring the buzz of a crowd to the peace of alone time. They may also struggle with introspection, as their focus is frequently directed outward towards the world and people around them. Extroverts are usually quite transparent with their emotions, expressing their feelings openly and directly. If they're excited, you'll know it. If they're upset, you'll hear about it. Their effervescent spirit is what makes them so captivating, drawing others towards their infectious energy and enthusiasm. But remember, no one is purely extroverted or introverted. We all have a mix of traits, and that's what makes us uniquely us. So if you love social gatherings and thrive in group activities, you might be an extrovert. Next, let's enter the quiet, thoughtful world of the introvert. Often misunderstood as shy or aloof, introverts are simply individuals who thrive in solitude, diving into the depths of their thoughts and emotions. Their energy is recharged not by social interactions, but by quiet moments of contemplation and introspection. Imagine a world where silence isn't awkward, but a canvas for creativity and deep thought. That's the introvert's world. They often prefer a cozy night in with a good book or a thought-provoking movie over a lively party. It's not that they dislike people. On the contrary, they value meaningful, deep connections over casual small talk. Introverts often possess an array of strengths. They're great listeners, empathetic, and tend to be very observant, noticing details that others may overlook. Their propensity for solitude makes them self-sufficient and independent. However, like any personality type, introverts have their share of challenges. They may struggle with feeling misunderstood or overlooked in a world that often prioritizes extroverted traits. They may also find it challenging to express their thoughts and feelings verbally, preferring to process internally. But remember, introversion is not a limitation. It's a different way of engaging with the world, a lens that offers its own unique perspective. If you find deep conversations more energizing than small talk, if you value quality over quantity in your relationships, if quiet time alone sounds like heaven to you, then you might be an introvert. Now, what if you're a mix of both? Welcome to the world of the ambivert. Imagine standing at the edge of two worlds, holding the best of both realms. That's the life of an ambivert. An ambivert is someone who has a balance of extrovert and introvert features, someone who can be the life of the party, but also enjoys peaceful solitude. They're not always outgoing, and they're not always reserved. They're a blend of both. The strength of an ambivert lies in their adaptability. They can thrive in a buzzing social setting, but they can also find peace and energy in solitude. They're like chameleons, adjusting their energy levels based on the environment they're in. But while they have this unique ability to fit in anywhere, it can sometimes be a double-edged sword. This constant adjusting can be exhausting and can make them feel out of place. They might sometimes question whether they're being true to themselves or just adapting to fit the scene. Yet, the beauty of being an ambivert is in this flexibility. They can connect with a wide variety of people And they can also find comfort in their own company. It's like having a secret superpower, being able to navigate both the extrovert and introvert world with ease. So if you find yourself loving the rush of a crowd, but also cherishing your quiet time, you might be an ambivert. If you sometimes love the crowd, but also need your quiet time, welcome to the Ambivert Club. But wait, there's more. Ever heard of the assertive and the turbulent? We've explored the introverts, extroverts, and ambiverts, but let's delve a little deeper. There are 2 additional personality traits that add another layer of complexity to our understanding of human nature, the assertive and the turbulent. Picture a scale with assertiveness on one end and turbulence on the other. This isn't about good or bad, right or wrong. It's about how we approach life, cope with stress, and interact with the world around us. Assertive individuals exude confidence. They're self-assured, steady, and even keeled. They tend to be comfortable with who they are, accepting their strengths and weaknesses with grace. When faced with challenges, they remain calm and composed, trusting in their abilities to navigate any storm. On the other end of the spectrum, we find the turbulent. These are the souls who are constantly striving for growth and improvement. They're the perfectionists, the ones who never settle. Turbulent individuals may wrestle with self-doubt and anxiety more often, but they also have a deep drive for personal development and achievement. Now, imagine applying these traits to the basic personality types we've discussed. An assertive extrovert might be a confident social butterfly, unafraid to command a room, while a turbulent introvert might be a quiet observer, always seeking deeper understanding and knowledge. Remember, no trait is better or worse than the other. Assertiveness and turbulence are just different ways of being in the world. They shape our experiences, our relationships, and our personal journeys. So, where do you fall on this scale? Are you an assertive individual, secure and steady, or do you identify more with the tireless drive of the turbulent? Perhaps you're somewhere in between, a blend of confidence and quest. Whether you're assertive, always confident in your abilities, or turbulent, constantly seeking improvement, you add an extra layer to your personality. So there you have it, a brief tour into the fascinating world of personalities. We've delved into the lively world of the extrovert, brimming with energy and social engagement. We've explored the introspective realm of the introvert, where solitude isn't loneliness but a space for reflection and recharge. We've walked the middle ground of the ambivert, who balances the best of both worlds, equally comfortable in a crowd or in peaceful solitude. We've also taken a look at the assertive individuals, those who are self-assured, even-tempered, and resistant to stress. And we've recognized the turbulent types, the highly emotional and perfectionist souls, who are always pushing themselves to achieve more. But remember, these are just broad categories. Each one of us is a unique blend of these characteristics. A person is not just an extrovert or an introvert, assertive or turbulent. We are all a mix, a cocktail of traits that makes us who we are. There's no better or worse personality type. Each type has its own strengths, its own challenges. It's about understanding these aspects of ourselves and using this understanding to grow, to improve, to connect with others better. Remember, each personality type is unique and beautiful in its own way, so embrace yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Until next time,